मीशत मुश्किलात का सामना करना पड़ रहा है कि आप मीशत को संभाल नहीं पा रहे।
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਜਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਦਿਓ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ हम बात ही देख लेंगे।
सर जजमेंट नहीं दे, हम तो आपसे पूछ रहे हैं ना।
नहीं तो क्या पाकिस्तान डिफॉल्ट हो गया? पाकिस्तान ने बॉन्ड नहीं पे किया
इंटरनेशनल।
अब कम ऑन व्हाट इंटरनेशनल, हर इंटरनेशनल पेमेंट की।
Finance Minister Ishaq Dar said on Sunday that Pakistan will overcome the economic crisis with or without the International Monetary Fund, IMF. While talking to a private news channel, Ishaq Dar said that Pakistan will not default with or without the IMF. He added that foreign powers are surprised that Pakistan has not defaulted so far. He claimed that former Prime Minister Imran Khan had destroyed the national economy after coming into power. Dar said that the IMF asked Pakistan to arrange $6 billion, and a technical deal was signed to arrange $3 billion before and after the loan program. He added that MD had also confirmed that Pakistan would not default. We will try to avoid putting a financial burden on common people in the next budget. We will bring discipline to the economy and resolve the economic issues. It should not be compared to Sri Lanka. We have to control our internal expenditures. The IMF program will conclude on June 30th, said Dar. A few days ago, Finance Minister Ishaq Dar reiterated that Pakistan will absolutely not default, as the government was committed to overcome the prevailing economic challenges. Pakistan had to complete a series of prior actions demanded by the IMF, which included reversing subsidies, a hike in energy and fuel prices, jacking up its key policy rate, a market-based exchange rate, arranging for external financing, and raising over 170 billion rupees, $613 million, in new taxation. The fiscal adjustments have already fueled Pakistan's highest ever inflation, which hit 36.5% year over year in April.